Hi, welcome to the course C++ in 6 hours Learn C++ tutorial for beginners. Do you want to learn C++ programming language with no prerequisite knowledge as a newbie? Without spending a huge amount of time and effort. At the same time, without missing key concepts in the language. Yes, you're at the right place. Take the course Learn C++ in 6 hours course for absolute beginners. Your instructor is Sara Naseem. She is MPhil in Computer Science from University of Management and Technology, Pakistan. And she has done her BS in Software Engineering from University of Engineering and Technology, Pakistan. She served as lecturer in GIFT University, Pakistan and also published a research paper. As you can see, C++ is used in a variety of fields. Using a combination of DevC++ and PowerPoint animation, the course offers a great way to learn language using minimum time and effort. The components of the course are shown in the slide. To make the understanding better, the course offers 9 assignments and 9 quizzes. By the completion of the course, you can apply C++ knowledge in real life and at the same time be a part of C++ projects. So, if you're a newbie and you want to learn programming language, what are you waiting for? Please enroll now. We would love to have you as part of the course. Thank you.